Deadbolt going through the mud bog. Right here, right now.
Oh, get it!
Oh,
Wow, it did pretty good.
Let's hit it again.
There's some decent mud in there.
Not a lot of thick mud, but
It's kind of thin. Try to go through that back part.
I think the motor is getting.
Oh, the motor's getting wet?
It might be getting stuck.
I did a bad job of filming.
That's okay. I'll try one more. I don't want to get it stuck.
Should I go through the back there? Yeah, go through the back. Oh no! Oh, keep going! Oh, that was so deep. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
It dropped right into the mud.
Woo! Oh yeah.